For 68 years, Charles Osborne hiccuped non-stop, an astonishing medical mystery that baffled doctors and defied countless remedies. Imagine a life where every conversation, meal, and sleep is a rhythmic interruption, a relentless beat that doesn't stop for nearly 7 decades. Charles's hiccups began in 1922 after a farm accident and persisted through major life events, from the Roaring Twenties to the Space Age. Doctors tried everything from hypnosis to medication, yet nothing could silence the persistent spasms. His condition was so rare that it became a part of medical history, with researchers still pondering the neurological cause behind this record-breaking episode. Despite the incessant hiccups, Charles managed to live a full life, marrying twice and having children, proving that even the most extraordinary challenges can be met with resilience and humor.